Welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use your own, if you already have Kimi Code accounts, okay, how you can use in a better platform, especially their new models Kimi K3 with full capability that the model has. It's amazing models, how you can use it in a better platform that you will get, okay, and you can taste it, you can just working with it. This is Nexa. Open the Nexa, the platform, go to this machine, okay. So once you are in here, click on the Nexa and go to settings. When you are in the settings, you go to providers, and as you see here, all the major providers we support. For example, it supports Cloud Code, Codex, Open Code, Grok, and now Kimi Code. So we just simply click on Kimi Code. For me, already shows connected because I already connected my account. But for you, as a first-time user, just run. Go to select the providers, and then click on and select install, and then run. Once you run, it's gonna download for you in your machine the CLI version of it. Okay. After you already did, then click on run. Then click. You can just type Kimi, or you can just run. For example, here does not matter, and just enter. You will see that it's gonna load for you. For me, it already did it because I already connected my account. For you, it's going to show you the process of you have to connect. It's going to show you like, okay, connect with your subscription, and then you just click, and it's going to go open in your browser. You just sync it, and then once those process is done, it's going to show for you connected. So once you are connected, you are done, and you just go back, and then click on add project, bring your project or create a new project. Click on here. If you want to create a new project, just click here and name it. Done. If you want to bring already existed project, you click on open, and then choose the folders that you are working with it or directory. Just open in the workspace. So once you have the project already loaded in the workspace, as you see, this is the project. The name is Nexa Preview. Then click on the new. You will see both options available for all the providers, but right now we are talking about, because the others also the same, so we talk about Kimi. So click on the chat, and then click on the Kimi chat. If you like, okay, I do not like chat, I want the CLI version, you will get it. Click on the new, click on the CLI version, and then Kimi Code CLI. Just click, you will get both options are available, and also, as you see, it already supports as well the composer, the custom composer that I built. If you do not like it, you can just hide it and go to, and also both CLI version and chat version support native screenshot. Just grab a screenshot, put it here, you will see, or you can just put it in the CLI version as well. It just supports both of it. So you can start same, that's it. And what is the use case of for example, Nexa? It has browser, built-in browser. If you like to showcase your preview of what project you're working, open the browser. It automatically detects if your project already has a preview. Just click, and then you choose, and then it's going to show you already have now in the browser the preview of that project. Okay, and also you can use the Nexa for a normal browser as well. For example, you can open Google, you can open whatever you need, and I already have. I want to show you how it works. Click on the plus, and then type, for example, I open my site rshai.dev. So this is the area, just how it works, the browser, and also this is the address. If you want to get the Nexa, click on the Nexa, and then as you see, amazing 45 amazing people downloaded it. So it has available for Windows and Mac, both version, Intel and Silicon version are available. So you will get 2 weeks free beta, no card, nothing. Just try it for yourself, create an account and claim. As you see, only 25 spots left. So you can create an account, you can use download Nexa, and you can use in your machine the way I did. And also, if you close the browser, the good thing about Nexa, it already built, it has a built-in editor as well, and an advanced editor. If you those kind of guy that you need editor, it's already built, and you can leave comment for AI. You can send directly. You can just leave a comment and for the review, PR, whatever, right? So the Nexa has a lot of other stuff. I already made a full video. You can check in my channel. So if you want to know about Nexa more, but this is how you can connect your Kimi account and how you get the Nexa. Thank you so much. Peace.